What's going on, guys? This is Brandon Belcher coming to you live, and I'm shooting this video to show you some live proof of some live money coming into my account. This is the most powerful thing you've ever seen, and I'm sure no other marketers has ever done this. I'm going to also do this for just a random person, but before I do it for the random person, I'm going to show you for myself. As you can see, I got $28.55 in this account. I want you to watch this live. Check down here. It's 11:45. Today's date is Monday, March the 2nd, 2015. Let me show you this power. Okay, let me just sit here and wait. Check that out. $33.25 now. I just want you to keep on watching this. This is live, guys. Oh, man. I can go to the dashboard. I can go anywhere. $36.43 after I clicked on dashboards. Let me see. Just let you know it's a real account. Let me just click account settings. Check this out. When I refresh it again, $41.13. I mean, I can go to my offers in my CPA account. $44.31. The numbers just keep on going up. This is proof how powerful CPA marketing is and my methods. Let's refresh again. Let's just click dashboard so to refresh the whole account. $52.19. And this is going to keep on going all day long. This shows right here, plain as day, that I am literally the most powerful CPA marketer that's putting his face on the internet right now. If anybody else can do this and show you live proof of income updating, and it's not even 12 o'clock p.m. and this will do this all day long. If I show you my stats, let's check it out. I'll show you right now. Stats overview. Hold up. Let me see. It went to $55. All right, today's stats, $55.37. They just started. You see the money coming in live. Let's click yesterday. $325.87. This lets you know how powerful this is. If you're not one of the 250 people that get involved with me in CPA Underground X, I'm going to be honest with you, you're absolutely crazy. Once again, this is Brandon Belcher signing off.